baby planner bundle is perfect to get organized while you're planning for baby to come. This sheet is available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. Let me show you how it works. So there's a pregnancy checklist, there's baby shower checklist, there's checklists for the diaper bag and hospital bag, and more. So let's start off with the pregnancy checklist. There's lots of things to do to get ready for baby. I have it separated by first, second, and third trimester. There's lots of items on this checklist. Feel free to use the items if you like. If not, you're welcome to write your own list, and then you can check it off as you get them done. You can put your baby's name as well at the top, and then you can put your baby's due date. This baby shower checklist is perfect to write down the things that you would like to receive from your baby shower registry, and then you can check them off as you get them. So you can even come in and then write your own custom list as well. So if you need diapers, you need a quantity of 5, are they in stock, low, or none? And then you can check it off as you receive them. This baby name planner is perfect for you to jot down names that you're thinking about, and you can rate them as you like. So we can come in here and put a baby name, and then you can rate, hey, do I love that name, 1 to 10. This is a diaper bag checklist. This is perfect to just think of all the things that you need to stock up the diaper bag. And then as you write down everything, you can check them off as you fill up the diaper bag. This is a wonderful hospital bag checklist to make sure that mom and baby are ready to go for the big day. This is your first foods tracker. So as you introduce new foods to your baby, you can see if, did your baby like it? Yes or no? What date did you introduce it? And any notes. And then check it off as you introduce the food. This next one is your sleeping log. So you can put the date, the time that you put the baby to bed, how long did your baby sleep, how many times did your baby wake up in the middle of the night, and how well do you think they slept, 1 to 10, and any notes. This is a baby meal planner, so you can come in and put the week of, and then you can plan out your meals for the week, starting with Sunday, and then you can come in here and say, we're gonna do, cereal. This is a wonderful shopping list to just jot down all the things that you need to get from the store and then check them off as you buy them. This is your baby essentials checklist. So again, we can come in and write down all the things that we need. Write down how many we have and if it's in stock or do we not have one at all, and then check it off as we receive it. So that's how this sheet works. All of this is available all in one bundle, and it's available on my website again at savvyandthriving.com. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope you have a great day.